Now children, we have question number 2. The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follow. So these distances are given 5, 3, 20, 25, 11, 13, 7, 12, 31. These are the distances. We have to construct a grouped frequency distribution table with class size 5 for the data given above, taking the first interval as 0 to 5. 5 is not included. What main feature do you observe from this tabular representation? So children, we have to represent it in the tabular form. Children, here you are observing every number is different. If we write it as a previous question, we will get the distances almost for 40 engineer. We will get the observation in the table, that is almost 35 to 40. So to avoid so long table, we convert this data into grouped data as given it is in the question. Take the table, take the interval as 0 to 5. So now here we are converting this data into grouped data, grouped frequency data. So you have to prepare your table in this manner. Here is distances in kilometer, here is telemarks, here is frequency, means number of engineers have the distance. So 0 to 5, this is 5 to 10, 10 to 15. So this type of data is called exclusive data. Exclusive data means you are getting here 0 is counted in this class, but 5 is not counted in this class. 5 will be calculated in the next class. So 0 kilometer distance here, 5 kilometer distance calculated in the next class. So when lower limit is taken in that class, upper limit is excluded from the class, that type of data is called exclusive data. When we take 0 and 5, both the numbers in that class, that will become the inclusive data. When upper limit and lower limit, both the numbers are taken in that class, then it becomes the inclusive data. Here we are taking 0, lower limit is counted in that class, upper limit is not counted in that class. So this type of data is known as exclusive data. In exclusive data, these are the classes here: 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. These are the classes. And here each class has the class size 5. So this is the continuous class and class size of each class is 5. Now we are putting here telemarks. Your first distance is given 5. So 5 is here and here. But we will take 5 because lower limit is counted in this class. So we are taking 5 to 10 as 5 telemarks. Second distance is 3. We are taking between 0 to 5. Third distance we are taking as 10. I am taking the distance horizontally. Third distance is 10. It is in the third class. Then we have 20. It is from 20 to 25. 25, 25 to 30. 11. 11 will come in this class 10 to 15. 13 will come in this class 10 to 15. 7 will come in the class 5 to 10. 12 will come in the class 10 to 15. 31 will come in the class 30 to 35. Then we have 19 from 15 to 20. 10 will come here, so we will make it cross. 12, 10 to 15. 17, 15 to 20. 18, 15 to 20. 11, 10 to 15. 32, between 30 to 35.